Are you having problems with .NET Excel not locating the Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before diving into the manual fix for Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel, a specialized .NET publisher policy assembly that manages version redirection within the Global Assembly Cache, GAC. It forces localized application calls intended for legacy Excel versions to utilize the version 14.0 Office 2010 primary Interop Assembly. If missing, custom enterprise Excel add-ins will fail to load, reporting a file or assembly not found exception. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel is required by .NET/Excel to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of .NET/Excel ensures all required application DLLs are restored. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Please use caution. Replacing Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel. To keep Policy 14.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.